Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the most out of your DaVinci Resolve Studio by having it auto remove silences for you. Now, I will mention that this is a DaVinci Resolve Studio feature, so it will only work properly if you have Studio. So, first of all, what we're going to do, as you can see, we have a clip here. I'm going to duplicate it, okay? You don't have to duplicate it, but for the purpose of this, I'm going to duplicate it, okay? We will go with the duplicated version in a moment. We're going to focus on the original right now. We're not going to drag it down here yet. Instead, we are going to right click on it, okay? And then as soon as we hit right click, we're going to go down to audio transcription, hit transcribe. Just so you know, I'm on version 18. And of course, it's going to take a little bit of time to analyze the clip depending on what you are doing. So like I said, I am up to date with DaVinci Resolve as of right now, and it found everything, okay? And it also actually transcribed. It doesn't matter if it got what you said correctly up here or not. That part does not matter at all. Because what we're going to do is click these three dots, hit remove silence portions, and then we're going to select all of this and then click append, and it will put everything where that cursor begins. So now we can actually close out of this. You're going to click on the timeline, hit Shift Z in order to make it all appear like that. And now the duplicate that we did at the beginning, we're going to drag that up here because I did that so I could show you guys the difference, okay? The difference in how long they both are. The one that it cut automatically about 13 minutes. This one here, 13 minutes, 32 seconds. So what it did is it cut out a lot of the silence that made sense for it to cut out. Ignore the fact that this said Marvel Snap. It's for one of my other YouTube channels. Feel free to check it out if you're into video games. But yeah, that is how you do it here. Now, if you didn't want to, like say you didn't like the transcription anymore, you can always go to audio transcription and click clear transcription. And you don't gotta worry about your timeline changing because that's already there. Now, yeah, I think that is just perfect to get rid of the auto silences for you, let you get about your business quick and simple. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.